Now, let us understand reduction reaction. So, first let us see the definition of a reduction reaction. So, reduction reaction. Reduction is defined as the chemical reaction in which a reactant gains hydrogen or loses oxygen to form the product. So what is reduction reaction? It is a chemical reaction in which a reactant gains hydrogen. This is important, gains hydrogen or loses oxygen to form the product. So in order to understand this definition, let us take some examples. So example number 1. If hydrogen gas is passed through black copper oxide. Copper oxide is CuO, copper oxide. Reddish colored layer of copper is formed. Cu is copper is formed. So the reaction can be written as CuO plus H2 gives Cu plus H2O. So hydrogen gas is passed through black copper oxide. Reddish colored layer of copper is formed. The reaction can be written as CuO plus H2 gives Cu plus H2O. Now how is this a reduction reaction? That let us see. Now come to the reactant side. On the reactant side we have CuO and H2. तो इसमें reactant CuO में से O निकल गया. Cu is formed. CuO था, इसमें से O निकल गया. So CuO lost O, loses oxygen. CuO lost oxygen to form what? Copper. तो CuO का क्या हो गया? रिडक्शन हो गया. CuO got reduced or undergoes reduction or undergoes reduction. So reduction means loss of oxygen. CuO lost oxygen to form Cu. So CuO got reduced or undergoes reduction to form copper. Now reduction also takes place when a reactant gains hydrogen. In order to understand this, let us take example 2. If hydrogen gas is passed through red hot coke, hydrogen gas is passed through red hot coke. So C, coke is a form of carbon. C plus H2 gives CH4. Is this reaction balanced? No. Here you have H4 and here H2. So I will have to write 2 here. So H becomes 4 and H becomes 4. C is 1, C is 1. Now it is balanced. So C plus 2H2 gives CH4. Methane is formed. This is methane. So when hydrogen gas is passed through coke, this is carbon, methane is formed. So here what happens? Carbon, coke, carbon gains hydrogen या combines with hydrogen to form methane. So carbon combined with hydrogen or gains hydrogen or accepts hydrogen, accepts or gains hydrogen to form CH4, that is methane. तो that is why, क्योंकि कार्बन हाइड्रोजन के साथ मिल गया, हाइड्रोजन के साथ कंबाइन हो गया, कार्बन ने हाइड्रोजन गेन किया, कार्बन का रिडक्शन हो गया, कार्बन अंडरगोज रिडक्शन बाय कंबाइनिंग विथ हाइड्रोजन टू फॉर्म मीथेन. That is CH4. So carbon got reduced या carbon undergoes reduction. तो उसका खुद का रिडक्शन हो गया. So reduction दो केसेस में होता है. Either reactant loses oxygen, reactant ऑक्सीजन लूज कर देता है तो रिडक्शन, उसका रिडक्शन हो जाता है, या फिर रिएक्टेंट हाइड्रोजन गेन करता है तो उसका रिडक्शन हो जाता है. So I hope you have understood reduction reaction. Reduction means loss of oxygen or gain of hydrogen. Now children, let us try to understand the meaning of term reductant or reducing agent. Reductant or reducing agent. So I will write the definition of reductant or reducing agent. It is defined as the chemical substances that bring about reduction reaction by making hydrogen available. Hydrogen available are called reductants. Or reducing agents. So the definition is the chemical substances that bring about reduction reaction by making hydrogen available are called reductants or reducing agents. Now what is the meaning of this? Let us take example. 2H2S plus SO2 gives 3S plus 2H2O. 4H, 2O, 2O and 2 plus 1, 3S, 3S. So the reaction is balanced. Now here, in order to identify reductants or reducing agents, you need to confine yourself to the reactant side. You need to be on the reactant side. Product देखना नहीं है, reactants side में reactants को देखना है. तो reactant side में reactants कौन कौन से हैं यहाँ? Reactant side में reactants are H2S and SO2. SO2. This example we had taken while understanding oxidants also. Now here H2S and SO2. SO2 के पास तो ऑक्सीजन है. H2S, look at H2S. H2S has got hydrogen with it. Compound H2S has got hydrogen with it. तो जिस कंपाउंड के पास या जिस एलिमेंट के पास हाइड्रोजन होता है ताकि वो अपना हाइड्रोजन दूसरों को दे सके, so that रिडक्शन रिएक्शन हो सके, that substance is called a reductant. तो H2S is a reductant क्योंकि उसके पास हाइड्रोजन है, so that it can give its hydrogen to others, so that reduction reaction takes place. So H2S is a reducing agent. Then another reaction, MnO2 plus 4HCl gives MnCl2 plus 2H2O plus Cl2. Now identify the reactants, reductants reductants in this reaction. So you have to be on the reactant side. ये reactant side में क्या क्या है? You have MnO2 and HCl. इसमें से हाइड्रोजन किसके पास है? HCl has got hydrogen. So HCl is reductant. And can you identify oxidant also here? Yes, oxygen is with MnO2. तो MnO2 is oxidant. यहाँ oxidant क्या है? Can you tell me what is oxidant here? Yes, oxidant is SO2 because it has got oxygen with it. So SO2 is oxidizing agent. वो दूसरों को ऑक्सीजन दे सकता है ताकि ऑक्सीडेशन प्रोसेस हो सके. एंड H2S इज रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट. वो दूसरों को हाइड्रोजन दे सकता है ताकि रिडक्शन प्रोसेस हो सके. हियर MnO2 इज ऑक्सीडेंट. वो दूसरों को ऑक्सीजन दे सकता है ताकि ऑक्सीडेशन प्रोसेस हो सके. एंड HCl इज रिडक्टेंट और रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट. वो दूसरों को हाइड्रोजन दे सकता है ताकि रिडक्शन प्रोसेस हो सके. सो आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड द मीनिंग ऑफ रिडक्टेंट्स एंड reducing agents. So I hope you have understood 4 things today: oxidation reaction, oxidants, reduction reaction, and reductants. Oxidation reaction is a reaction in which a reactant gains oxygen or loses hydrogen. Reduction reaction is a reaction in which a reactant gains hydrogen or loses oxygen. Then you had seen oxidants. Oxidants are substances that give their oxygen to others, that have oxygen in them so that they can give their oxygen to others. They are called oxidants or oxidizing agents. Reductants are substances that bring about reduction reaction by making hydrogen available to others. They have hydrogen in them so that they can give their hydrogen to others. So oxidation, oxidants, reduction and reductants. This much you have studied today. So your homework for today is identify the reductants and oxidants in the following chemical reactions. Also state which reaction is an oxidation reaction and which is a reduction reaction. So some reactions have been given to you. इसमें तुमको ऑक्सीडेंट्स क्या है और रिडक्टेंट्स क्या है, इसके लिए तुमको सिर्फ रिएक्टेंट साइड में होना पड़ता है. रिएक्टेंट साइड्स में से कौन से रिएक्टेंट ऑक्सीडेंट है और कौन से रिडक्टेंट है ये पहचानना है. और पूरा रिएक्शन देखो और बताओ कि ये ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन है या रिडक्शन रिएक्शन है. सो कंप्लीट योर असाइनमेंट. स्टे एट होम, स्टे सेफ एंड एंजॉय स्टडी. थैंक यू.